So I struggle with the high street because I want silk, I want cottons, and I want really good fits. So for me, it's kind of happened by itself. I've sort of graduated away from the high street, other than maybe a bit of H&M, because I want silks. Now, that is why replacing the high street with charity shops works, because look at this. This is the most beautiful 100% silk. The silk actually comes from the Hermes factory, and there is a whole consignment of these going to cancer research in the Marylebone High Street. So for the price of what you pay for a couple of Zara items, you get 100% silk, one-of-a-kind item. And this again, this is an amazing silk dress from a top-end American designer, Scanlon Theodore. This has still got the labels on it. I paid £30 from Cancer Research in St John's Wood. Silk again, so it's the same price as I would pay in Zara, but I get a silk, one-of-a-kind item. So it really is about heading to these shops and looking for silks, looking for cottons, looking for good fits. This is an eBay purchase, so not only can you buy them in store, you can buy these things online. So Cancer Research have a website, Oxfam have a website. Again, I'm looking for silks, I'm looking for good fabrics and cuts. So my hot tip is when you go to the charity shops, look for silks, look for cottons, and just go in regularly, and I promise you will find some of these pieces.